चलो वैसे पार्टी नो पार्टी stop partying.
See, that's the
Because we
answer.
are not partying anymore. That's the reason why we can do such good things.
But then, as I know, all we can do is actually what doesn't want and want to.
Are we starting it formally now?
Thanks.
Are these
thanks,
things working?
thanks to you.
Not required. Not
Are we
required.
using mic
Not
because
required.
everyone
Not
is this
required.
close? Sir, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है.
उसकी जरूरत नहीं है.
Should be? Should be?
Yeah.
सलमान सुल्तान को लेकर सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या मिला है?
Um,
आपके पास आई गॉट सो मेनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू यू आल्सो तो आपको मिले होंगे. अली तो फोन चेक कर रहा है. कौन से
they like my look.
Sorry, we will need the mic. At the back and
It's all recording you.
It's recording.
इसमें echo आ रहा है. Mic में echo आ रहा है.
माइक में को आएगा.
It's gone. It's gonna. Is ज़्यादा है.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट ये मिला है कि वो जो लोग जो थिएटर में जा रहे हैं पिक्चर देखने के लिए वापस से दोबारा और फिर थर्ड टाइम ओवर, इससे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो नहीं सकता. वो जो आपका जो एक वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे का कलेक्शन जो है वो उससे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं मिल सकता.
खान साहब, जिस तरीके से इस फिल्म ने रिकॉर्ड बनाया है, एक बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड, और हर दिवस एक नया रिकॉर्ड इसमें ऐड होता जा रहा है, इस उपलब्धि को किस तरीके से आप लेते हैं?
सर ये तो जीनियस सर यही हैं जिन्होंने ये हमको इस मुकाम पर पहुंचा दिया है. बिकॉज स्क्रिप्ट इनकी, म्यूज़िक इनका, पूरा
विशाल
कॉन्सेप्ट
शेखर.
इनका.
विशाल शेखर.
नहीं, पर इसमें हाथ तो आप ही का है. विशाल शेखर थोड़ी कोई को कुछ स्क्रिप्ट का कोई सेंस था. म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर तो 4-5 गाने दे देता, उसमें से बेस्ट कौन सा सिलेक्ट करे वो आपके चॉइस का है. हालांकि वो जो रिजेक्ट किया वो म्यूज़िक इस फिल्म से बेटर था. तो वो गाने मैं सुनाऊँ वो हमने नेक्स्ट हमारी फिल्म ले ली है.
खान साहब, ये सिर्फ वो लड़ाई पे, दंगल पे ये फिल्म नहीं थी, इसमें मिक्स्ड इमोशंस भी सबके सामने आए थे.
जी हाँ, बहुत सारे मिक्स्ड इमोशन थे इस फिल्म के अंदर.
कई लोगों की आंखें भी भरी.
एक साइड जस्ट एक मुझे कैमरा करना यहाँ पे इस साइड से वो टेक दिस लिया. वाओ.
लाइव फीड.
Much before your movie releases, there are a lot of predictions that are usually made, since the last 50 years you've been predicting top 100 and everything.
I've just been
You
lucky.
kind of records. It's been more
I've just been lucky. I've just been somebody who's there at the right place at the right time, choosing the right way, or been made to choose the right way, and working with people who are working more on me, and because they've already worked on themselves, and they take an average person and they make him into this sultan. So I've just been lucky with this. And then once the luck runs out, then I'll start working really hard on myself. So we'll keep that.
Are you choosy when it comes to
Yeah, very choosy. See the amount of films I used to do earlier, and now I don't do them anymore because I'm choosy with the films that I'm doing.
What made
One or two disasters which I was there.
Anushka, there's a lot of appreciation that you have received from your role. What is the best compliment you use?
It's actually very overwhelming to kind of respond to that as what he said. But I think just like what he said, that people are watching your film again and again, and they're saying कि मतलब people like when they help in my house, they are like मैम वापस एक बार देखने जाएंगे. So that is greater than anything else. The film is being loved. so much. Apart from that, I'm very grateful for also the whatever we have appreciated Archer. I think it was a role that and emotions that I didn't understand the maturity of those emotions at that time. So I feel like ho gaya to and it's been appreciated. So I feel
Don't worry, next time.
So you know the film has done 180 crore in just 5 days.
I don't follow numbers, they follow numbers.
I follow number 5.
Yeah.
they for the
YRF, follow numbers. So once the film is done and the initial awareness of the film is done, which we did very little this time. So I'm out of the film. I'm into the next
So
one.
at what point do numbers not matter to you?
No, they do matter, but I'm not good with dates, I'm not good with numbers. So even अगर मुझे आके कोई बोल दे कि इतना बिजनेस है, ठीक है.
आमिर खान से मुलाकात हुई थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि वो सुनताल देखिए काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए थे और काफ़ी पसंद किया, उन्होंने आपको टेक्स्ट भी किया था.
जी, मुझे टेक्स्ट आया था. ये काफी बात.
You said that there's a lot of people who are working on you and
What?
you just said that there's a lot of people
Yeah.
who are working on you and making you
Yes.
look good.
She made me look
What
good.
kind of
She made me
work
look
does that?
good in the film.
What kind of work does that involve?
That's the best compliment I got. By the way.
She did make me look good in the film. He did make me look good in the film. The script made me look good. The music,
The lyrics, I have to say, the beautiful lyrics.
beautiful. Yeah. I just thought in the lyrics that this lyricist
इरशाद का
Irshad Khan was very, मतलब कि 4 गानों के lyrics उन्होंने एक गाने में दिए. ज़्यादा देते हैं. इतने पैसे के अंदर मतलब कि जितना है सब डाल दूँ. So he was there.
The things that sort of stood out for me,
I was only upset that मेरे गाने यूज़ नहीं किए.
both in
The
Bajrangi
songs that I sang
Bhaijaan
were
and this
equally
one.
good or not as good, but they refused to.
Ali, people loved
Bajrangi
all the
Bhaijaan
supporting
and
actors
this,
also in the
the big difference was that there are no bad guys.
Yeah.
There's no villain as such. The conflict is internal. Do you think it's sort of
But it's
passé now
always
to have
internal.
bad
No?
guys?
Conflict is always internal.
Is it?
It's
But
always
that was not the case in Dabang or Wanted. There was a real bad guy.
Ah,
There
but
was
that's
beat up
a
in the
different
end.
kind of film altogether. It's a different kind of
So,
film.
I mean, is it passé now to have a bad guy?
Hmm?
Is it...
No, never. This is just इसमें सिर्फ यही बुरा था. एक मुकाम पे आने के बाद
alter ego.
थोड़ा सा एक आदमी सटक जाता है. And if you understand that, then there's no bigger hero than he is. So you're fighting within yourself.
Ali, does this give us hope for part 2, Sultan part 2?
ये बड़ी मुश्किल से बनी.
दूसरी वाली इजी भी बन
Ali,
जाएगी.
you recently tweeted about you meeting Sylvester Stallone before, and you said that he inspired. So what exactly do you speak to him? What role?
Because we both are in touch. So when I was in LA doing my...
No, I'm not.
Hi, you are in touch with him. He keeps tweeting about
Yeah,
you.
but I
He-
also have Twitter.
So,
touch means that.
there's a common friend that he and Stallone has. So through him, we met him when I was in LA doing my old action choreography.
No, Ali, you managed to get some extracts and great performance even from the supporting team. So your take on that?
No difference.
What is success to you?
Being happy.
Would you do more sports-based film to
What?
Would you do more sports-based film to create awareness?
Yeah, but it's really tough to do a sports-based film. It's really tough. It's a lot of hard work that's been put into.
Bhai's got a pool table at home, so pool के ऊपर pool table आया है अभी.
If it were not for you,
Carol. So, Scrabble,
Make some movies.
If it were not for you, who do you think would have been a better Sultan in Bollywood?
This is a very difficult one to answer. I think that in the way I see it and in the way the fans and people have reacted to this film, the only person who would have been able to play Sultan. Everyone is aware of Dangal much before Sultan.
Anushka,
I really very strongly think that is very good. I think everyone has their opinion. What they said was that it was a regressive character, which I don't agree with at all. Because nobody, it was in fact progressive because she made the decision herself. You know, it's not like he forced her, कि अभी तुम give up कर दो या anyone forced her. It was a decision that she took herself and it was a choice whether to have the child or not have a child, and she chose to have a child. And she would have gone back to wrestling like she does in the film. But then something such a big deal or such a big thing happens in their life that completely changes their world.
बट अगर बच्चा मेरे आने के बाद पैदा होता तो या मेरे जाने से पहले पैदा हो जाता तो और बच्चे का ब्लड ग्रुप सेम नहीं होता तो there is an audience which does not go to the theater at all. If they watch it at home, they watch it on DVDs, they watch it on satellite. Now that is an audience that we need. Even we don't have those many theaters. So even we don't have those many theaters, but films like this, people should come out of the houses and go and see the movies. Like the footfalls of Bajrangi Bhaijaan was the highest, which is 3 crore 40 lakh people in an Abadi of 125 crore plus people. I mean, that's not even, what, 3%?
Yeah, point.
हाँ, वो भी नहीं थिएटर गोवर्स तो है ही नहीं उसमें हम लोग सर्वाइव करें जस्ट इमेजिन व्हेन वी increase our theaters or people actually start going back to the cinemas to watch. We just got a thing in UP, there are like 1,800 theaters that have been shut down. In Maharashtra there are X amount of theaters. So theaters are shut down. This is really sad. So there used to be more theaters then than there are now. That's really disgusting. That's this. Cholo. There are people who किसी को कोई मेहनत करनी नहीं किसी और की मेहनत के ऊपर उनको पैसे कमाना worst profession some of us have is to let somebody else do the work and you take away the credit. And you make money on their hard work.
Could you feel even the people supported by buying the DVDs and all those things? The people also supported by buying DVD because the ticket rates are higher.
In fact, there was somebody who was telling me there is some minister. He said you should put Tata on these things. ये खरीदने वाले को और बेचने वाले को टाटा लगा बिकॉज टैक्स बढ़ते हैं तो महाराष्ट्र का टैक्स बहुत हेवी टैक्स है सो यू पेइंग टैक्स सो देन यू नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट अस वेयर दीस थिंग्स आर कंसर्न और 2 लोग जेल के अंदर जाएंगे इसके बाद इसका बंद हो जाएगा साउथ में होता नहीं सो यू नीड टू
Do you think this is an impact of the high ticket rates that are there in theatres?
No, it's not to do with ticket rates at all. I don't think so.
It was 480 rupees.
Exactly, but then, but that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday के बाद तो 100 रुपये तो आ ही जाता है.
And also,
then you have also single screens.
Yeah.
You have
There are
single screens as well. So people who cannot afford the multiplexes, because see now, even I feel that the ticket prices are very high. But now when you see the infrastructure, and you see the real estate का value, then अगर वो charge नहीं करेंगे तो वो theater बंद हो जाएगा.
But sir,
Anyway, Friday, Saturday, Sunday के बाद तो like we tried it in Jai Ho. हमने 250 रुपये की टिकट रखी थी जय हो के अंदर. वो ना अप्रिशिएट हुआ, ना उसको कोई कलेक्शन आए. बोले कि अब 128 करोड़ की डिज़ास्टर, तो 250 रुपये की टिकट रखोगे तो यही होगा कलेक्शन में. तो
so there were reports that you are planning to open theatre chain under Being Human in places where there are no theatres. Is that true? Is that happening?
we are working on it, but there is a reason why the theatres are not there. कि चल नहीं रहे हैं theatres इस वजह से वहाँ पे theatre है नहीं. Population है, so we still doing a survey, still doing a study कि जहाँ पर हमको ऐसा लगे कि यहाँ पर आबादी अच्छी खासी है और यहाँ पर लोग आएंगे वहाँ से और पास से. Like we were shooting in Mandava.
Yeah.
We had to go to see Dolly Ki Dolly, about 2 hours away from Mandava. Fatehpur. Yeah? Fatehpur. Huh? No, Mandava, Fatehpur. So we had to drive down for an hour and a half to see Dolly Ki Dolly. It was a worthwhile drive.
और कौन कौन सी जगह पे जहाँ पे आप थिएटर करना चाहिए? आपने मंडावा का एग्जांपल दिया, इसके अलावा?
मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि थिएटर ही नहीं है वहाँ पे. थिएटर नहीं है तो सबको पिक्चरें देखनी. जैसे बच्चे लोग मोटरसाइकिल किक मार के स्टार्ट करके आ जाते हैं लंबी लंबी डिस्टेंसेस क्रॉस करके. तो व्हाट अबाउट द अदर पीपल? अगर घर के पास में थिएटर हो जाके देखते, लेकिन आबादी कुछ शहरों की इतनी कम है वहाँ पर टिकट प्राइस क्या हो. अगर जितने भी छोटे छोटे गांव के अंदर सब खेती बाड़ी, सबकी दुकानें हैं, किराने की दुकान, खेती बाड़ी सब हो, तो वो कहाँ से वो 100 रुपये की टिकट या 50 रुपये की टिकट अफोर्ड कर पाएँ. दैट्स अ मॉडल वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन.
Before Sultan came along, the top 8 grossers in the industry were not Hindi films. Before Sultan came along, the top 8 out of the top 10, the first 8 grossers were not Hindi films. They were Bollywood franchises. Is there a crisis in the industry?
That only means that we should work a lot harder. Yeah. They've been able to understand our market more than we've been able to do it. So they've been doing a really good job.
What do you think we're doing wrong?
Huh?
What do you think we're doing wrong?
We're shying away from emotion.
From emotion.
Sometimes you become number one star.
I've become.
You've always been. I was reading up. In the classic group, Amitabh Ji, you are number one.
I'm number one in my mother's eyes. I don't know about you. What? I'm forgiving for a lot. I'm forgiving for a lot. I think everyone should be my mother.
What was her reaction?
My dad. So every time we do a movie, his reaction is very important. So he comes back and says, "Ho jao, so jao." He come back and say that,
Anushka, do you still
इसको भूल जाओ. Next वाली पे ज़्यादा मेहनत करो.
और सुल्तान के लिए क्या बोला उन्होंने?
She loved it. She loved it.
सुल्तान के लिए उन्होंने क्या बोला?
He loved it. He really liked it. In fact, he keeps the trials for whether to Nandani and all these things. So they all go to see the film Asha Ji, Karan's mom, and Krishna Aunty, and Mr. Prem Chopra. Everyone, they all go together to watch movies, and they watch every film that is coming out. Yeah. have this one day fixed for them, dad, mom, and they go and watch the movie that comes out.
I think you watch all the movies of your country. So you watch all the movies.
I work quite a bit, so I'm not getting time to watch movies. But when I'm not working, I'm surfing channels, which I've just learned to do that. Otherwise, whatever used to be playing on television, I didn't know how to pick up the remote and change channel. जो guide आता है, फिर guide के बाद वो I didn't know. I just learned it now recently, about 15 days ago as a found.
Anushka, do you still?
So I didn't know when that, when that बीच में आता था ना वो एक काला एक says that
E045.
no that press E2 press to think कि मैं अभी इसको उठाऊं कोई गलत चीज़ नहीं लगता मुझे. So I'm not good with technology at all. Who?
दंगल का पोस्टर आपने देखा, आपको लगा अच्छा?
With Amir sitting with
4 girls.
Yeah, very nice.
Anushka, do you still feel intimidated by Salman?
No, but it's a very nice poster. When he comes out with his bare-chested poster, it's going to be. Have you seen his body?
Yeah.
When he's after me, I gave him advice. I said, Amir, do not. ये पहलवान का रोल है, इसमें 6 पैक वगैरह नहीं बनाना तुम्हारा. जिसे नहीं यार वो तो सुशील लोग तो सब बना के घूम रहे हैं, ऐसे तू मत बना.
Have you lost the weight that you gained for Sultan?
No, I'm trying. No. See, first it was difficult to put on weight. Now it's difficult to lose weight. It was difficult to compete with your seniors. What is more difficult right now is to compete with your juniors. See, he doesn't lie about it. That is one thing I give him.
Such.
He doesn't lie.
So, a star of your stature, associating yourself with wrestling and then making a film. So,
अभी वैसे कुछ सोचा नहीं है, लेकिन आगे वाले देखने होता क्या है, अभी सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में, और एडिशनल सोचा नहीं.
What film? I'm doing one, Marathi.
कौन सी?
Maulik Ritesh.
कौन सी?
Yes.
मौली.
छत्रपति शिवाजी.
छत्रपति शिवाजी.
शिवाजी.
आप कौन सा रोल कर रहे हैं? क्या कर रहे हैं उसमें?
That you watch this film.
आप गेस्ट अपीयरेंस है या
No, it's a good 5-6 days.
कोई पर्टिकुलर
I'm not getting the right script.
Are you producing it?
No, Ritesh.
So, do you ever visit?
I forced myself into the movie. It's a proper role. Means like it's a 5-6 day role, which is quite large. Huh? No, I think the dialogue, the writer, they spoke on the set. It will, because my mother's Marathi, English, Hindi. So it's. Guys, what are you doing? Arey mat kore Salman, Sushila, Chandni. What do I do with it? So it's like.
So you know,
star of your stature, associating with.
I just did a Marathi show just now.
Yeah.
चला how
How are you there?
I think they were damn.
It was.
They're so funny. I died laughing. I started wheezing and all.
Why is the show suddenly become so important for promotions?
What?
Why is it? It's.
I don't think so.
Why is this?
You agree?
Huh?
You agree?
I don't watch the show, but like, why is a Marathi show suddenly so important for promotions? Because I know
Oh,
a lot of people are doing it.
I've gone on it because I want to go on to it. And
Okay.
today that show, particular show, is one of the highest rating.
It is highest.
Highest rating show. And it's damn funny.
Yeah.
It is really, really funny.
So,
And all the Maharashtrians, everyone who speaks Marathi, they all watch that show.
So, do you ever visit theatres to see the reactions you get for your film? Because even Ali tweeted that he visited Chandan and the reaction was electrifying. Do you ever visit to see the?
You get it on this now.
So you check. You usually.
Somebody shows it. So when you're seeing the film, you get a andaza that this is going to be
Anushka, how was your experience? You visited a theatre this weekly and
वो मतलब टू गुड मतलब बहुत मतलब मैं 3 दिन में पूछती हूँ उसके बाद बहुत सुपर था यार मतलब लोग हंस भी रहे थे लाइक आई कुड हियर सम स्निफल्स आल्सो यू नो सो दे वर फुली कनेक्टेड विद द फिल्म एंड ऑल ग्रेट
also Ranveer watched Sultan over there in Paris and he, you know,
He
tweeted videos
danced.
and pictures. He danced.
That's why I'm going to like break a chair or something on his head. Is the right thing to say.
क्यों?
Watch a film.
He was
Don't go
dancing.
start
But
dancing.
many of the fans also.
He made Chandan ना वो चंदन थिएटर बना दिया था
And I don't know if you all saw this picture that he tweeted when in the film I'm doing this. That is actually Ranveer bhai please जाके बैठ जाओ. हम लोग हमारी picture देखेंगे.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, I said, what is this? And, oh, this
And in Paris,
Ranveer. I said, he's not watching Sultan, he's making people watch him there. He should have charged money for that.
Who do you admire from the younger lot, an actor?
I like this boy from here. I like Varun Dhawan. I like Tiger, Suraj. And I like
Arjun.
I like Arjun's good. I like Ranveer. I like
सारे बोल दिए.
Siddharth Malhotra.
प्रॉब्लम है इसमें.
Siddharth Malhotra.
सिद्धार्थ.
Anushka, who do you think is
I
your
like
toughest
Anushka.
competitor?
Toughest competitor. Okay?
Like, who do you think in Bollywood actresses, the League of Actresses, who do you
I
think?
think it really depends on the films that you're doing. And if you're doing good films, then like today I've done Sultan, then after sometimes somebody else can do a really good film. So I don't think it's not consistent.
So there's
Everybody
nobody.
is a competitor. I mean, we're all working in the same industry, vying for the same scripts and wanting the same kind of success. Everybody is a competitor.
There's nobody to watch out for. Somebody you think is.
ऐसे तो मैंने कभी भी नहीं किया कि यार इसका ये क्या कर रहा है, ये मुझे देखना है, मुझे फॉलो करना है.
अनुष्का,
you
आपको
like
लगता है
to
कि
work
बहुत
with
सारी
these
एक्ट्रेसेस
younger
आपसे
actors?
एनवी करती होंगी क्योंकि आपने तीनों खान के साथ काम किया
Any
और
two-hero film
substantial
or
role
Two
किए
hero, like how
उनके
you
साथ.
used to work with Sanjay Dutt and
जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि काफ़ी एक्ट्रेसेस एनवी करती होंगी आपको क्योंकि आपने तीनों खान के साथ काम कर लिया और सब्सटेंशियल रोल किया उनके ऑपोजिट में. तो
I hope not. I don't think they will because everybody is doing good work. You know? Everyone's making their mark. So I don't think so. I think it's a good time for everybody.
कटरीना ने भी किया.
Correct.
I wish.
Tomorrow.
yes, from the younger actors.
From
Oh,
the
you
youngest
like-
actor to Katrina Kaif, wishing her.
No. My question was working with a younger lot.
If something comes up, we'll definitely. Like I worked with Pulkit.
Yeah.
You know, I've worked with who else? Anita Kapoor.
Salman, Sanjay Dutt wants you to play
What?
play a role in his biopic. Would you do a cameo in his biopic?
If he wants me to play a role.
Yeah, a biopic.
See, if he's making his biopic, I think it's kind of, it's not complete without me being a part of it.
Salman, after Daska, when you come out to the second season, any plans of
Daska
Right now we're doing Big Boss.
but any plans of Daska?
I would love to do it. 100%. That I've really enjoyed doing that show. But now this is an easier show for me to do. In fact, this one is going to be very difficult because it's not celebrities, it's common man. So, common man को suddenly becomes celebrity versus common man. तो जहाँ कुछ हो जाए अच्छा आप तो सेलिब्रिटी हो आप तो ये सेलिब्रिटी पहले सेलिब्रिटी नहीं था बाद में हुआ है. जैसे कि वो जब घर से निकलेंगे तो वो भी सेलिब्रिटी नहीं थे जब घर में घुसें जब बाहर निकलेंगे तो वो भी सेलिब्रिटी बन जाएंगे. So it will be difficult one for me to handle this time.
अच्छा आप मानते हैं कि आप बॉलीवुड के सुल्तान के पॉलिटिशियन ना हिंदुस्तान के सुल्तान हो तो कोई भी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी हो तो आपको नहीं होगा. आपके फ्रेंड्स और ज़्यादा आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं आपको आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
नहीं वैसा मेरा कोई मानना है नहीं इसके अंदर. I believe कि यो जितना कि लास्ट दिन जो करता है आपके लिए वही करता है, फिर the whole cycle starts once again to do this. एक चैप्टर खत्म हो गया और नेक्स्ट चैप्टर has to be better than the previous one. और
तो कंट्रोवर्सीज को कैसे लेते हैं आप, जो फिल्म के टाइम जो आ जाता है यहाँ वहाँ से आ जाता है?
Can you talk about your reply to the NCW? Do you think you should have apologized? Or was it...
so now, should I give you something that you can survive for like a week, 2 weeks? or should I just not say anything?
Tell us.
If I don't say anything, I am boring. Okay? If I give you something right now, you will survive that 2 weeks. You will like that. But people around you will not like that. See, understand your intention. Understand your responsibility towards your channels, your newspapers, your magazines, okay? Your digital platform. I understand that. That has to go on. So now, you decide what you want me to do. Should I give you something or not?
Sir, but Salman, don't you think you get... Salman, but you get dragged in controversy for no reason also, many a times, not needed.
Is it you feel you don't reply back to these people? Maybe they are taking advantage of your this silence?
You reply, you don't reply. You will write what you need to write, what your seniors tell you, what you feel. Now, I may say something, you may take it differently. And then you also know कि a particular statement इधर से उधर से उसको कैसे घुमा फिरा के you all there.
Yeah.
Eh? Sad.
But sir, you start shooting. Sir,
My father's writing articles right now, and he's doing a really good job. He's tweeting right now.
Yeah, very much.
And he's fantastic.
Yeah. Would you like him to write something?
Huh?
Would you like him to write?
I want him to do whatever he wants to do, man. Just don't trouble my money.
It's coming on video.
sir, you start shooting for Tube Light from 20.
No, I don't have time.
Salman,
Sir, you start shooting for Tube Light from 20th, and that is a period film. So, what can we expect from it, from that film?
Right now I'm blank. That we will answer when the film releases. इसका जवाब मैं आपको थिएटर में दूंगा.
But is it around the Indo-Sino War?
can we see Sultan 2 in pilot?
No, I'm doing the same kind of films. Same kind of films. The films that I myself want to go and watch in the theater. Those are the films that I'm doing. And those are the films that I've always been doing.
Salman, Sultan 2 by any chance?
When actors like you and Amir make films on wrestling, take it on a global platform, I think that's when actors like you and Amir, they make films on, associate themselves and make films on wrestling as a sport. I think that's going to help it on a bigger level.
In fact, I just got a feedback from Mumbai itself. There was some Akhada shut down in Mumbai. They've opened them up.
So do you think so?
Okay, last question.
Sir.
During Madhani right now, you had said that this is a new character that will be larger than life, not in the sense of cameos, but in the sense of deeds. So when you play a sultan, do you find any resonance in terms of connect, or do you make it very Salman-like in person?
I try to move as far away from Salman as possible. But then whatever is done there on screen, the fans think that this Salman character is larger than that. It is not true. It is the script which is the largest, the hugest thing in the movie. Apart from that, I mean, if the people like you, if you suit the character, then anyone can pull off something. Anybody can pull off something.
हाँ, that was very
Arbaz.
So do you think this movie will also fetch you awards? Sultan will also fetch you awards. It has also grossed.
You'll go?
Salman, which is your favorite?
Like Kabir is going here. Huh? Kabir and Amar keep on picking up.
But is the best actor?
Salman,
Chalo. I like to thank my parents. I like to thank my alpha.
मूवी में जो आपका किरदार है वो अपने सपनों अपने एम्बिशन पे पर्सनल लाइफ को चूज करता है रियल लाइफ में अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन कोई बनती है तो आपका क्या चॉइस होगा
क्या करता है?
पर्सनल लाइफ को चूज करता है।
पर्सनल लाइफ को चूज करती है आप
आई थिंक ये थोड़ी पर्सनल लाइफ से ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है. इट्स नॉट पर्सनल लाइफ, इट्स अ चाइल्ड. It's becoming pregnant and it's a life that you are responsible for. So she chooses to do the right thing because she's very idealistic as a girl. So she chose to do the right thing, and I will always do the right thing in life. So that's what it is. It's not personally above that. So when are you starting Rajkumar?
We're working the script right now.
चलो
Salman,
Salman,
your
Okay.
favorite song she wants to know.
Jad Bhumia.
Salman,
Bulaya.
has Salman approached you to biopic on
I am trying to sing that song.
Bulaya.
Bulaya. I'm trying to sing that song. So I've been trying very hard. My voice is but as soon as I get that song, I'm going to
Again record it.
Again record.
They won't.
Has Salman approached काफी supporting cast है सबने strongly काम किया है
आपका फ्रेंड जो बना था he was also very good. He was very good.
हाँ, no, it was damn good in the film, yeah? Huh? Yeah. Master.